How to fix no sound in Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix no sound problem in your Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys do is first make sure that you're not in mute. Now, the F1 button, try to press on your F1 button, which will just mute your entire device. So try to check if you're on mute or not. If you're not on mute and the only problem is on your Google Chrome, what you can do is you can check if the tab that has your sound is not on mute. So sometimes you can even mute exact uh, you know site or exact tab. So if you right click on the tab that is playing the sound, you can see there is a mute site option. Make sure that this is not enabled. You can check that out. So if I go here and if I right click on it, you'll see the unmute site option. Tap on it to unmute the site and try to play your music. If again, if that does not fix your issue, you can tap on the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down, head over to settings. After you're on your settings, there you will see privacy and security in your performance. So here on your privacy and security, head over to site control. After you're on your site control or site settings, you can then scroll down and there you can see certain apps or certain websites which have been blocked. So you can check that out and unblock them from here. If again that does not fix your issue, head over to your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to system. After you're on your system right here, there you will see sound option. Tap on sound, and after you tap on sound, there you'll find different options for your sound, such as your output, your input, and more of that. So here what you can do is you can scroll down until you find the advanced option and more sound settings. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you can check if there is a problem on your speaker. And if you do have a problem, you can double tap on it and you can check if the output is not working. You can restore to defaults from here. Make sure that you're on defaults. And if there is your enable audio enhancements, simply unclick that and tap on OK and then tap on OK again. After doing that, what you can then do is you can restart your device once and then that should fix your issue. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.